Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to discuss an affiliate marketing method with CPA Grip, as you have seen from the title itself. But I'm going to be focusing on how you can promote the CPA affiliate offers that you can find over there. Even though you only need just a click to get on the CPA Grip offers, still you should be very careful where you share your link, because you can share it in a blind spot and never be noticed by anyone. And in this way, you're going to waste yourself time, and also you won't be capable of earning some money. So guys, just follow up all of the steps that I'm going to give you on this video, and also some useful tips that can help you out to reach out the right audience for your affiliate offers that will make you earn a lot of money. Do not forget to subscribe and also to turn on notification bell, guys, so in this way you will never lose any new update from my channel. Now let's get over to CPA Grip. Just write down cpagrip.com on Google and it's going to be on the official page immediately. Now let me explain to you why CPA Grip and not any other website that exists out there about affiliate marketing. Well, first of all, CPA Grip is worldwide available, and I know that most of you don't live in United States, so I'm trying just to make a favor for everyone here, so everyone can have opportunity to use a website which is available everywhere. And also the offers on CPA Grip are worldwide available. You can select the country there and choose whatever country you want to. Now guys, here you're going to find CPA, which stands for cost per action offers, which means that every action that someone is going to get with the link that you're going to share is going to make you earn money. Now, if I would go on with ClickBank or also Digistore24, which are really amazing affiliate marketing websites, you would have to put more effort because you have to convince people to make a purchase, and that's a little bit difficult. But in this method, I'm just going to make it more simpler for those who have never tried before, let's say CPA Grip or affiliate marketing on their life. So guys, let's continue with the first step that you need to follow up. You have to go over to CPA Grip official page and click on the register button. Step 2. Now we have to sign up and create an account. Now guys, do not continue on filling up the fields who aren't required. So let me tell you over here what you need to fill up. So your first name, last name, street address, your state, your country, and you can check out over here that is worldwide available. Then you have to put a city, state, region, zip, postal code, your phone number, Skype, publisher type, email address, password, confirm the password, choose a time zone, and then agree just to terms and conditions that they have and register. It will take them only a couple of minutes to send your verification link on your email, and then you are going to continue and take the offers from CPA Grip. Now the offers are at Offer Tools. If you click over here and click on My Offers, and you can have access to all of the offers the CPA Grip is going to give you in order to share it. Step 3. Now guys, go over to Google and search up for a Linktree. I'm going to reveal to you since now what platform we are going to use in order to promote the affiliate links that we're going to get from CPA Grip. And we're going to use Linktree, which I think that is one of the best social media reference for landing page. I really love Linktree because it's amazing. You can create and customize very suitable, let's say, landing pages. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So go over to linktr.ee, and here you are going to see that you can sign up completely for free. You can do that by putting your username, email, and create your account. After you have done that, you can continue with the rest. Step 4. Now guys, we are at the part of creating our landing page. So first of all, I'm at the section of appearance because I want to choose something that will grab the attention of the people and look as good as possible and creative too. So as you can see, you have some designs here which are for free, while the others you have to upgrade. Now, I would not recommend to you to pay any money on Linktree because I think that the themes that are for free are really cool too. As you can see, I've decided for this one for me. So let's go on to the CPA group, and here we are going to get the offer. So guys, when you choose an offer, pay attention to the country over here. You can make it United States, but you can also change it and choose your country or any other country in which you can find some really good offers. Well, I will recommend to you United States because it has some really good giveaway offers, but still you have to choose and select different countries. Now that we are over here at United States, we are going to choose one of these offers so I can tell you how you're going to do it. So first of all, guys, I'm going with this one, enter for $10,000 now. Now what we have to do is just copy the link of the offer and you have to go over to this website called tinyurl. So we are going to shorten the link because this link is too long, and of course most of the people would think that this is a scam and will not click on it. So shorten it can help you out to attract more people. So guys, let's shorten it a bit with this website, which is completely for free. Now that we have shortened the link, we have to copy it and go over to Linktree. Now here, as you can see, I've already created 2 links on my landing page that people can open and have access to it. This is what I really love about landing pages, because in one link, you can have inside of it different pages that people can go and click on them. So guys, with one link, you can share at least 5 different offers that can make you money. So in this way, you will not suffer to share one link and then the other and things like this. So in order to add a link to your landing page, just click on add link and paste the URL over here, click add. And now guys, at the title part, you can just copy the link over here and then paste it to the title. So just like this, I'm putting the same title that CPA Grip had. So this is how I'm going to create my landing page. It's pretty simple. You can change the appearance, you can check the analytics over here and the settings too. Now that we have finished, we can share it just by clicking the share button over here. So guys, now that we got the link of this, which is this one over here, we're going to get to the next step. Now on this step, I'm going to reveal to you where you can share your link in order to get more and more clicks. And as you can see by yourself, I'm going to use Facebook. Facebook is such a big social media platform with billions of users, and for sure it's going to help us out to get some clicks on our link. So guys, if you don't have a Facebook, just open one. It's pretty simple. If you have one, just log in. Now, as soon as you open your Facebook, what you will have to do is go to the search bar and search for gift cards. Now, as you can see, if we click groups, you are going to check out that there are a lot of public groups that you can follow and become part of them. Like this one over here, in which it has 100,000 of following. Now guys, when you're going to share your link over here, you're going to check out that at least 1,000 to 10,000 of them will be interested on what you're sharing. Step 6. Now guys, here is a post as an example on what you can write down. I will not recommend to you to go over to these groups and just share the link because they will immediately ignore it because they will think it's a scam. You can write something like this. Here is how to save $700 while buying off Amazon. Now give a little bit of information. And guys, after you have given some information, you can write something like this. If you want to know more, then like the post and comment interested along with your country name, and I will send the link as soon as possible. In this way, you will know who is mostly interested and you can send the link to those people. And in this way, you are not going to waste time and you can create communication with the people who are over here. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Give a like and don't forget to subscribe.